Now, within the space of a year, B.B. Cook High School in St. Elizabeth weathered 2 hurricanes, and despite members of the school's population and surrounding community being affected, there are still reasons to smile in the face of the storm. Denise Walters tells us more.
B.B. Cook High School rugby program has had many challenges over the past few seasons, but the school's girls team delivered a title at the recent St. Catherine Thundercats International Rugby Sevens tournament held at the Spanish Town Prison Oval.
It is a big motivator for B.B. Cook High School, despite the challenges that we would have had with Hurricane Beryl last year and then return with Hurricane Melissa would have had a significant impact on our students, our teachers, and our parents. So going back with a title, it is a big motivation for the school and the school community.
Michaela Rochester is the captain of the team.
We did get some damage, but it didn't stop us. I feel great about it because we won it last year and we get to keep our trophy. And it was a pretty good game. We came out good.
But while the girls flourished, the boys' team suffered.
Unfortunately, we had some issues in St. Elizabeth. Majority of our boys are coming from communities that were hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa. We were late, and so we left practically half the team. And we came and still did a good job.
And Coach Kamar Finley says the lack of electricity in parts of St. Elizabeth is posing a challenge.
It would have reduced our training time because a lot of the communities from which the students are from were severely impacted by Hurricane Melissa, still without power. And so 4 or 5 o'clock, it is the darker season of the year now. We have to ensure that by 4 o'clock, they are off the field, getting ready to head back home.
And traveling from Spanish Town back to St. Elizabeth in the late evening also comes with its own complications.
We will have to do house-to-house drop-off going back into St. Elizabeth. So when the bus takes us back to B.B. Cook, as a teacher, and my fellow colleagues over there will have to drive around and drop off the girls at their parents' house. Our parents are very integral to the behavior modification to sports program that we have at the B.B. Cook High School.
But the B.B. Cook girls showed their resilience as some of them returned as members of the St. Catherine Lioness B team that defeated their senior counterparts to claim the women's title. The team is currently in the Jamaica Rugby League and is also preparing for the Jamaica Rugby Football Union's 15th competition. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.